It's my buddy Mark Bix's 34 Coupe. Look at this thing.
He's also armed with a 12 gauge.
Yeah, he said he's also armed with a 12 gauge, so. But this thing is incredible. Look at it. Small block powered. Got that old 1940s, 30s, 40s look. Hot rod. The tuxedo car right now because of the colors. And then we'll move on over to his 57 Chevy. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Incredible. Oh, look at that. So this was pretty much a frame up restoration, I believe. May have even been a frame off, but look at the paint on it. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this thing. Now, if I was going to do a 57 Chevy, this is how you do it. I watched him build this thing from the ground up, from nothing, and just to see it this far along is incredible. Look at the floors in this thing. I'm going to try to do a kind of a before and after, and check out the powertrain. LS powered. Oop. LS powered. I actually sold him this 6.0 several years ago. It was a complete 6.0 with a 4L80E attached to it. Low mileage motor. And he decided way back then he was going to do an LS swap in this 57, which I thought was awesome. And just looking at it come to fruition and almost be there. Cool. Anyway, as always, they ain't got to be pretty. They ain't got to be cute. You got to own them. You got to drive them. OnJunk, baby, all day, every day.